This video I'm going to show you the easiest way for you to get free views on your Yo.Fan page. If you are looking for a way to get you 30,000 view in order to apply for monetization, then this video is for you. So first, all you have to do is open your Yo.Fan page just like this one here. When you have opened your page, then you go to your Google Play Store. When you go to your Google Play Store, then you search for auto page refresh, or you search for page refresh, auto page refresh. You search for auto page refresh or page refresh, it will bring you to this browser. Then you have to download this particular one here, browser tab auto refresh 2023. Already I have it in my phone because I'm using this app, so you just have to download this. When you have downloaded it, then you go to the app, you open the app. Yeah, once it opens, then you go back to your yo.fan page which you opened earlier. You go to yo.fan page which you opened earlier and copy your yo.fan page URL. You copy the URL here, just this way, copy URL. Then you go back to this app you downloaded and you paste your URL here. Then here you can set the number of times you want it, but I advise you do it like every maybe 30, every 5 minutes you do 30, every 5 minutes you do 30. Then you set the timing you want. Here you set, click on this arrow and set the timing you want, maybe milliseconds. Okay, let me just set seconds. Yeah, then the next thing you have to do is to click start. Okay, just wait and you'll see the results. So it is, as you're looking at that timing, you're looking at the timing, it actually shows it is working. It actually shows 3, 4. So just wait until it finishes. It is done doing the job. Yeah, times. All right, guys, you can continue this way and get your 10,000 watch views, then apply for AdSense monetization. If you find value in this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.